Alright guys, so we're back again today with another video. And today, like I said in my last video when I was wrapping the side of the car, we're actually going to be wrapping the logo in the front. So, the TRD stripes actually came off. The last time I was washing it, I told you guys that in the last video, but I'm just going to recap again. So, like I said before, the TRD stripes came off. I got some wrap that is like a sparkly red and white, so it'll just make the logo look a little bit better and different from everybody else's. And so I'm going to go ahead and lay that on and then cut it out, and I'll show you guys the process and everything, and then we'll close it out. This will be like a really short video, but I just wanted to, you know, give you guys videos more often and stuff, even if it is, you know, little things that I do. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay guys, so I got my towel again with alcohol. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it off. Then I'm gonna go ahead and cut those into smaller pieces so I don't waste the whole thing. So in case I do mess up, I can go back and do it again, or in case it blows off again when I'm washing it, I can just redo it real quick. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use the heat gun and get it heated up a little bit. Another good reason why to do that after you clean it is it'll help evaporate the rubbing alcohol faster too. So now we've got it good and clean. Now, like I said before, I'm gonna go ahead and cut those into smaller pieces, and I'm gonna go ahead and start sticking them on. And I know it's kind of dark in here. I do have my light, but it keeps on going off, but we'll just work with what we got here. Okay guys, so it's actually the next day. I went ahead and made sure my light was charged and everything so you guys could see good. So I went ahead and cut the pieces into smaller sizes, and now we're going to go ahead and I'm going to start sticking them on. So first we've got the white, and then I'll do the red.
Here, let's go back.
Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and do the red.
Okay, so on this one, I'm gonna let you guys see it a little closer up. So as you can see, where it's all pushed in, I can just take my knife right against it and just cut around. So anyway, there's what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own, I've been working from home.
Okay, so now I'm finished. I'll kind of show you guys what it looks like. So as you guys can see the sparkles in it. So that just looks a lot better and just like a lot nicer logo than it did originally, because it was just like a gloss red and a gloss white. So now it has a little bit more sparkles and stuff to it. So if you guys want to do this to your logos, I'll show you now. So there's the exact
red I got. And then here's the exact white I got. And real quick, before we end the video, I just wanted to let you guys know, I actually added the Metro Restyling logo on the back of the car, so we have some more horsepower now. But again, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button down below, and if you hadn't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. And other than that, guys, I'll see you next time.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the